When the water containing small suspended matter enters into the drum, the small suspended matter is retained by the stainless steel screen mesh, and the water without suspended matter enters into the artesian pool after filtration. The mixture passes through a membrane with microscopic pores. Particles larger than the pore size are trapped on the membrane surface, while the filtered liquid or gas passes through. When the screen is cleaned, the water permeability of the drum screen rises. The water level in the drum falls. When the water level barriers to the set low water level, the backwash pump and roller simple reducer will automatically stop working the microfilter and enter a new round of work cycle.